Hi guys, okay, I have a little sandwich here for you that I want to show you how to make. It's a really quick lunch, and so I'm just using plain white sandwich bread, or you can actually use, an 8 grain or, whatever you have. You could use a hot dog bun, you could use a hoagie bun. It's whatever bread you got at home. And then I use some Munster cheese, and I'm using some cheddar cheese. And I got pepperoncinis, and I've got tomato, the sun-ripe tomatoes, and they were like in oil. And so what I did is I kind of drained off the oil so it wouldn't be, that oil in there. And I mixed them with the pepperoncinis. And then I'm gonna make this like a grilled cheese sandwich. So here we go. So what you wanna do is you wanna take first and spread some butter on 2 slices of bread. Now, if you didn't have a sandwich griller at home, you could always just use your frying pan. So I'm gonna put these down on the grill. So I'm gonna put, one of these is gonna have the cheese. One side is gonna have the cheese, the cheddar. And then the other one is gonna have the Munster cheese. And then, let's see if I can put my camera like that, hopefully. And then I'm gonna take the sun-ripe tomatoes and the pepperoncinis. Now, if you were doing this with kids, you might not want to use the pepperoncinis because the pepperoncinis could be hot, for the kids, because it is kind of spicy. And I'm just going to put them on top of the cheese. I just love this sandwich. Oh my gosh. Actually, I did this wrong. Oh my goodness. I should have made the sandwich. Oh no. I got so excited to tell you guys about this sandwich because it's my favorite sandwich. But anyway, I managed to get it up there. So that's what you would do. But you want to have a little butter on the bottom side of the bread if you're doing the grill, okay? Now, this is my husband's grill, his little electric grill. Oh my goodness, he broke the other one that we had for many years. And this one's on its last legs too. Boy, I don't know. Hopefully it doesn't fall apart on me here. And so that's all you have to do. And so when you bring it out, it's just going to be a little grilled cheese sandwich. And then what I did is I have some leftover salad from last night, which is the red and green striped tomatoes and some cucumbers and some chopped up onions with a little bit of olive oil, a little teeny bit of salt, some pepper, and then some lemon and a little bit of garlic, and I mixed that up. Oh, it's so good. Wow. So that's going to be with my grilled cheese sandwich, and so that's what I'm going to have for lunch today. So I'm letting that go, and we'll see how that comes out. All right, guys. So now my sandwich is finished. So check that out. There you go. So now I want to mention to you also about this. I forgot to mention this when I was talking to you earlier. It's on these pepperoncinis. I found that if you go and you buy the whole, if you buy the jar of the whole pepperoncinis that have not been cut up, it seems to me like you're getting less, and I felt like I can get more pepperoncinis and they're already cut up, ready to go in this jar than in the one that they're like whole. So to save money, I got the bigger jar because I do like the pepperoncinis. I mean, in salads and stuff like that. And, I don't even have to worry about cutting them up and stuff. So that just works for me better. So you might think about that next time if you want to buy these pepperoncinis, is to look and see how that jar looks to you. Because, I don't know, when I was at Winco, it seemed like I had less pepperoncinis in the jar. Like there wasn't very many. It seemed like I was getting a lot of vinegar. And, of course, you never throw the vinegar away from the jars of these things. You use that to tenderize your meat. So there you go with a couple more money-saving tips for you guys. That you love to save money. All right, bye now. Thank you.